Okay, number 4. 3x minus 4 equals negative 7. Okay, we want to solve this equation. Think about what you do first. Do notice on row 1 there's an addition sign. Okay, so think about how you could get the rectangles alone. You want to do that first. You want to add something to get the rectangles alone. Okay, to get rid of the 4 red squares on the left. By the way, you could have taken away 4 red squares from each side. Okay, but notice I didn't have a subtraction sign there, but there wouldn't have been anything wrong with taking away 4 reds from each side instead, okay? It's just not the way that I had you do this. Okay, so to get rid of 4 reds with addition, we could add 4 yellows. But if we add 4 yellows to the left, we better keep it balanced and add 4 yellows to the right. Okay, go ahead and clean both sides up and then record your step 1, what you did, and step 2, type in what you have left. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and delete all my 4 yellow positives on the left and my 4 reds on the left. And actually, if you wanted to just drag these off of your scale, that may be a little faster. I know this is a little bit tedious. All kinds of dog barking and birds chirping. Okay, so you should have typed in add 4 to the left, add 4 to the right, and then you're ending up with, after you take all the 0 pairs out, you're ending up with 3 x's on the left and negative 3 on the right. Okay, go ahead and do the last step. Okay, split things up equally. Show me the step that you did on row 3, and then on row 4, type in what you get. Okay, so you need to split things up. Okay, we split both sides up into 3 groups. So you put in divide by 3, splitting both sides up into 3 groups. And now you know from looking at your tiles, you have each x is equal to negative 1. So x equals negative 1. Okay, now go ahead and check. Put that negative 1 in for x into the original problem and make sure that the left side equals the right side. Okay, put negative 1 in for x. We get 3 times negative 1 minus 4 equals negative 7. Okay, 3 times negative 1 is negative 3. So we have negative 3 minus 4. And then when we simplify that, I would think of that as a negative 3 combined with a negative 4, or negative 3 added to a negative 4. So that would be a negative 7. So I get negative 7 on the left, negative 7 on the right. So that tells me that my answer of negative 1 is correct.